do you want Santa Claus to bring you this year if you could only have one present?
Sweetie pen. A dog.
A dog? What kind?
Cavachon.
Another Cavachon? And what would you name it?
Lady.
So you want another Cavachon and you want to name it Lady? We already have one!
Well, I want two so that you can make it Lady.
So that Lady and Lady can be friends? All right.
Or I'm gonna name it Jack.
Jack? Okay.
Scooter.
What kind of scooter?
A trick scooter.
I don't really have one this year. Like, I just like seeing people open presents. Like this year, like I like kind of just like, it's a different year, so I don't really like have one. I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. I mean, maybe a pair of shoes, but like, I don't know.
Really? You don't have anything that you want?
I can't think of it.
What?
Except for money to build my tiny house, which is in a video, but not right now. Maybe next year.
Remember what you told me about why you wanted it? What were you gonna make me with it?
If it was like anyone's birthday, I could make my mom or my sister, my brothers, something.
Yeah, and you said you were gonna make me a heart. Let's just say Santa doesn't want to bring you another dog. What would you want? Like, so disappointed. That's just a really big deal, and that just doesn't happen very often. That's a really big deal. What else would you want Santa to bring you?
Power Rangers set.
Do you watch Power Rangers?
No.
Oh, okay.
And I want Bumblebee robot.
Okay. A robot. All right. What is your favorite Christmas tradition?
How would you say this? Like trading presents with brothers and sisters? Yeah.
Going to both of my grandmas and seeing all of our cousins.
I love that. And this year we probably won't get to see all of our cousins because of COVID, huh? Kind of sad.
Yeah.
What is your favorite Christmas tradition? Like something that we do every year for Christmas. What do you love?
Celebrating Christmas.
You just love celebrating Christmas.
Yeah, because it's so fun. Because you get to open presents and get fun toys. Wait. Opening presents.
Yeah? Yeah. Okay. Do you think you were on the naughty or nice list?
Naughty.
You have to be honest with this one. This is hard.
Nice.
Really?
Yeah.
How come you think you're going to be on the nice list?
Be nice to my brothers.
Are you nice to your brothers?
Yeah.
Ooh, questionable.
Nice.
How come? What have you done to get you on the nice list?
Play the games with Boston. Letting him read my books.
Ooh, that's nice.
I think I'm somewhere in between.
How come you would be on the naughty list?
You don't want to think.
Okay, you don't have to answer. Okay. How come?
Because I hurt my brothers.
Oh, why else?
Because I do things on purpose that are not good. That's why I think I am on the naughty list.
What else do you think you've done to put you on the nice list?
That there one day where I took out Lincoln's pull up
Oh.
and put it, and then you're like, that was so nice.
Yep, that was really nice because that was a really terrible job. Is there anything that you can think of that got you on the naughty list? have to answer?
Yeah.
Okay. Why do you think you could possibly be on the nice list? What have you done that would maybe get you on the nice list?
Be nice.
Like what?
Like not hurting my brothers and not doing things on purpose.
Mm-hmm. Can you think of anything nice you've done for Mom?
Listening.
Yeah. So maybe you're kind of on the naughty and nice list? So maybe we'll just...
Mix that.
Yeah. So maybe let's try extra, extra hard to be good so that you can get some good presents for Christmas.
So I can get a Google.
Oh, Lincoln, do not put your feet on the camera.
Okay.
That's going to get you on the naughty list.
Will it?
Yes!
No.
What is your favorite Christmas song?
Candy cane.
How does it go? Which one is that?
It's the one that goes, candy cane lane, bring your friend this Saturday and use all the candy canes. What?
That's a good one. I love that one.
Trying to think about sticking. Can we come back to this question?
Yeah. Yep. Okay.
Jingle bells, and smiles, wrapping laid an egg. That mobile lost their way, a joker took Valley.
I'm trying to think of it, but I can't think of it.
Not really.
Mm-hmm.
I like a lot, but I don't have a favorite.
If you were to turn the radio on right now and tell Google to play a song, what would it be?
Candy cane lane?
Nice. Okay. That's what Boston said. Did you know that?
I don't know.
Don't worry, I won't make you sing it. Do you want to sing a song? Okay, I didn't think so.
I still gotta say my favorite song.
What is it?
Yo yo.
Have a holly jolly Christmas, and in case you
I can say my
did.
favorite movie.
Okay.
Home Alone. That's always my favorite. Home Alone is funny. It's fun to have with the family since I can't find my song.
What is your favorite Christmas food or treat that we eat just at Christmas time?
Jello and bananas. We're like, what every year Santa brings us cookies on the table, big donuts, and lots of other good stuff.
Nice.
Ooh, I know this one. Okay, so every single year, Santa would always put treats on our table, and he'd always have these like brownies that had like, it's like almost like a pink mint in it, and it was super good, and it's really good.
The brownies that Santa always brings, it has like the red minty filling with the brownie.
Did you know that is exactly what Olivia said?
Really?
Yeah. What other treat do you like?
The orange sticks
Oh, I like those too.
and the chocolate oranges.
Definitely like that too. What is your favorite thing about Christmas break?
Probably sleeping in. It's the one thing that we get to do this year a lot. So, sleeping in and creating new Christmas memories, different ones that we haven't really done before. So,
I love that one. I love that one.
creating new ones just because the world has gone viral and kind of crazy. But I mean, we can all make a memory of it. It's gonna be nice if we can tell the next generation saying, we went through Christmas and we had everything just pounding down on us, but we got through it and we made memories through it. So I think that'll be really fun when we create those kind of memories, when we are creating the memories.
I like when my dad helps us play a game that me and my brother like.
Anything else?
Spending time with my family.
Mm-hmm.
Open presents.
Mm-hmm.
And I want they to get another kennel.
Oh.
So if we get another dog, then there will be another kennel. planning on playing Super Nintendo with Dad.
Did you know that's what Boston said?
I kind of figured it.
Is there anything else you like doing over Christmas break?
Going sledding, not sleigh. The park has this like jump with a well, and they always go sledding there, and I haven't gone yet. Well, it was his birthday, but we had to go do something, so maybe this year.
Let's do that, okay? You remind me and we'll go do that, okay? Okay. When we get snow, we don't have any snow yet.
Yeah. And one thing I'm looking forward to is to shovel driveways,
How come?
because I want to earn money to buy the scooter, or if I get it early for Christmas.
And what was our deal? How are you gonna make money doing it? Because we weren't sure if people would have money to do it this year or not, so what was our deal?
Every house I did, I would get $5 from my parents.
Yep, I'll pay you for however many driveways you shovel.
And Dad said if I do Mrs. Rock,
Mm-hmm.
he'll give me 6 because she's a special neighbor.
Yep, and her driveway's kind of big. I love that, Cody. I like when we go sledding
And ice skating.
and ice skating.
And building gingerbread houses.
And building gingerbread
But
houses.
the thing that we used to do, but it didn't happen this year, that our elves left us. Every year, every single morning, we would come in the morning and try to find our elves.
Do you miss that? If you could give anyone any present in the world, who would you give it to and what would you give them?
I'll give it to Elijah, and it will be a dog.
Who's Elijah?
My friend.
Your friend?
He's one. I would give you, my mama, a ring.
A ring?
Yeah, I'd give you a ring.
What kind?
Diamond.
How big? Huge?
Medium.
I'll take it.
Mama, am I allowed to say the name?
Yeah.
It's either between my friend Caleb or Sway.
Yeah? What would you give him?
A summer lagoon free pass.
Nice. Would you also give it to yourself as well? Yeah, that works. Okay.
Could it be like a certain place?
Sure.
I probably want to go to Mexico again and get all the kids their shoes and stuff that they needed for their school. Because I remember that was really fun, giving all the kids their like shoes. Or like in the hospitals right now, probably like tons of like stuff that they probably need. Because I know a lot of people have like lost their jobs, so I think I'd want to do service for the community. So I think that's my Christmas present that I would give the world if I could.
I'm not crying, you're crying. That was really sweet, Olivia. That was so sweet.
Well, it's something that the world needs right now, so.
Okay, thanks, Bossy. I love you.
Him too.
Does that embarrass you? Oh my gosh! I love you! Come here! You're so cute. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Blah, blah, blah.
Okay.